Welcome back, guys. I've got a welding machine today. It's a Pinnacle welding machine. They say it's a MIGARC 195, so you can do MIG, can do arc welding, can do these two things. So this is it. This is because of the issue. It came from another repair company. They already removed a couple of IGBTs which are faulty, and I've tested them already. They are short. I've got a multimeter here. I've already tested them. They are short. And then the other issue is with the IC. This switching IC is an LNK626, which provides the voltages for gate drive, for switching on the relay, for the display, and every other function. So the first step to do is to change this IC. I suspect that if I change this IC, this thing is going to light up, but it won't weld up until I change this. So I am done now. It is on, as you can see. It's got several functions, I think. You can put it on MIG or TIG. Right now it's on MMA, I think it's arc welding. If I click, it goes to CO2 welding. Is there something like CO2 welding? Yeah, I think so. Then you can maybe adjust the what we are adjusting here. I don't know, mix the amount, the percentage of carbon dioxide. Then here they say flux. I don't know, maybe something like I don't know. I'm not sure. Then here go to TIG, then MMA. So here, so with the fault here, I ended up changing IGBTs. There is one here, the other two you won't see from the back there. Those were the old ones that I was changing. You can see there. They are back there. So I changed 1, 2, 3, 4 at the back. And then the switching IC here, it's an LNK626, which was also faulty. The internal MOSFET of this IC was bad, so I had to change the IC. And now after changing the IC, I faced another problem. Maybe I'm going to try and replicate it so that you see it. The fan of this thing is bad. So if you plug in the fan, right now the fan is unplugged, but of course it's not advisable to use it without the fan plugged in. So this, I'm disconnecting. I've disconnected the fan now, and it's coming on. So let me try and replicate the problem so that you see what I'm talking about. But now it's working. Or maybe let's just quickly test that it's producing an arc. Right. So as you can see, the arc is being produced. Let me see the arc. Yeah, so the arc. So it's producing the arc. Stop. Okay, so now I've plugged in the fan. So I want you to see what it's doing with the fan plugged in. Watch the display. It keeps on flicking the display. It keeps on flicking the display. I think the fan is faulty. It is short somehow. Let me quickly switch it off because I don't want to damage it because I've fixed it already. So it's a symptom. We learn every day. So some they continue working, the fan just doesn't work, and they continue to work. Right, I've closed it up now. As you can see, it's on TIG now. So the gauges actually respond if I'm turning on and off there. There is a bit of response. Then here it changes. It's now on arc welding. So it should, let's see. Yeah, it actually increases the temperature. They say it's a MIGARC 195. So the temperature should reach up to 95 at maximum. So that's 91. I think that's enough. Right.